Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning on an Epson XP-6100. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel found on the front of the printer. So, to get started we need to be on the home screen, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now we use the right hand arrow to move ourselves along through these options until we get to maintenance. Then we press OK. And then printhead cleaning is the second option down. Go down one, press OK, and then press OK once more to start. Now this will take your printer a minute. And what it's doing is pushing ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing you print quality issues. As such, I'd only recommend doing these cleaning cycles if you've got a print quality issue. And if needs be, confirm that with the nozzle check test page, which we have a separate video for on our channel prior to doing these cleans. But let's leave it to do its thing. And once the clean is complete, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this, giving you the option to do a nozzle check test page, which I strongly advise, because from it you can see exactly which colour is causing you problems for further troubleshooting. And from here you can just do cleaning cycles and test pages until you see that improvement in print quality you're looking for. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.